Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 12 days of tutorials. We are on now day 7, I think. Wait, 7, 6, or 8? I think we're on 7. Okay, yeah, I double checked. We're on day 7. Starting December 1st, I started uploading eyeshadow tutorials, all based around the holidays. We're doing 12 eyeshadow tutorials every other day leading up to Christmas Eve. And for today's video, we're going to be using the Natasha Denona, the Gold palette. The only reason I'm going to use this palette is because I saw a look today on Instagram that Natasha Denona did, and it's another halo eye. So I'm kind of back and forth if I want to do it as a halo eye or if I want to just do it as like, you know, a regular look. But that's why we're going to be using the Gold palette today. Down in the description box, I do have a link to a list of my eyeshadow palettes. So if you want to check out all my eyeshadow palettes, see what I have, and if there's a particular palette that you want me to use, make sure you check that link out and then let me know. If there's also a particular look you want me to do, also let me know. And in the description box, I also have the series from the 12 days of tutorials. So I have the tutorials I did previous to this, so 1 through 6. I also have linked in the description box, and it is also in a playlist. So if you're interested in seeing any other palettes or looks that I've already done, make sure you check that list out. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I normally upload videos based around new high-end products anytime, not anytime, but most of the times when a new high-end product comes out, mainly eyeshadows, I usually purchase the product and then I review it for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to get notified when I upload a video. All right, so let me prime my eyes, zoom you in, and we'll get started. All right, I zoomed you in. I did change up my primer this time around. I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics First Base Eyeshadow Primer, and then I did set it with a little bit of powder. So let's get started. So the first shade we're going to start off with is Sandstone with a Refer 27 brush. And that is going to go in the crease as the transition shade. And I think we're only going to be using 3 shades out of this palette. So this should be a very simple look. The next shade we're going to go into is Log with a Sigma E49. And I'm going to start by just kind of putting that in the crease as well, just like lower than that first shade and like literally on top of my lid. I went back to the first brush and the first shade and just kind of blending these 2 shades together. Now I'm going to take the shade Aura with a Sigma E55. You can also use your finger for this step, but I have nails, so it's not going to get in the corner. But I'm going to put this on the inner part of my lid. I'm doing it backwards. Normally I do the outer part of my lid first, but I'm trying something different. So I'm putting this about 3/4 of the way across my lid. I am going to go over top of it with my finger, trying to brighten it up a little bit more. going back to my Sigma E49 with no product and just kind of blending over top of that shimmer. I'm gonna go back into Log with a Refer 26 brush, and then I'm putting that on the outer part of my lid and connecting it to the crease. I did go into the shade a few times to get it to the depth that I want it, so you won't have to make it this deep on the corner if you don't want to. I'm taking my Refer 27 brush and just blending kind of the edge of that dark shade. Now, did I like that method, how I did that? It was okay. I mean, I guess I kind of prefer the way I normally do it, which I do this part first and then the inner part. So, I mean, I don't know. Which way do you guys prefer? So that's it for the top part of the eyes. I gotta do the rest of my face makeup so we can finish the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is kind of fast forward through that and let you guys see what I'm applying. Alright, I am back, so let's finish up the eyes. I'm going back into Log with my Refer 26 brush, and I'm going to run that along the entire lower lash line. And then back into Sandstone with a Sigma E33. And I'm gonna use that to blend out the lower lash line. I'm also taking some of Oro, that gold shimmer shade, and putting that just on the inner third of my lower lash line. I'm also going to put that as an inner corner. So I'm basically going to have the top kind of connect to the bottom. And that's it. So let me go do liner and lashes and I'll be back to show you the finished look. All right, I am back and here's the finished look. So you've seen the products I used earlier on my face, but what you didn't see me use is, for my eyelashes, I use these individual Goli, I think that's how you pronounce it, these Goli cluster lashes. I used those, and then I used Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lash line, and that's it. So this is not the look that I was thinking of doing, that Natasha Denona had done with this palette. She actually did it with her baby gold palette, the baby mini, I think it's called, the gold palette, which all 3 shades in that palette are in the gold palette, which I used all 3 shades, but I didn't create the look she created. So that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Sorry about the background noise. My son is messing around behind the camera. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notified when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys again on day 7. No, day 8. Oh my goodness. I'll see you guys again on day 8.